Greetings, citizens of the USA. For far too long, we the awakened have followed an idea of freedom, an idea of justice, an idea of equality, an idea that America once stood for. Over the last 50 years we have watched as this idea has slowly eroded and given way to greed, power and control by the super wealthy.
In the last 20 years we the citizens have sat on our couches and watched, day after day, watching this all take place before our very eyes, and as every day that passed the super rich corporation owners make record profits, all the while the citizens suffered. We watched on the sidelines as the super rich corporations pushed laws through our government without votes by the citizens that gave them more and more power over the governments to make more money and have more power.
Then one day an idea was born. This idea was anonymous. Individuals did not need to join Anonymous, as Anonymous did not have any leaders. With the anonymity and protection of the anonymous idea, it gave the citizens an ability to speak out against government, corporations, or anyone and anything, without fear of retaliation by anyone. The anonymous idea grew.
For a time, the anonymous idea was working, but it did not take long before greed and power took root inside the anonymous idea itself. Anonymous, the idea as it is today, has become tabloid news for profit, with only a select few making millions off the citizens that believe in the anonymous idea. The anonymous idea has been twisted and perverted, leading to criminal organizations and criminal corporations setting up shop in Anonymous for one reason, and that is to profiting off the anonymous idea, mostly from outside the USA.
True and actual criminal corporations set up specifically to take advantage of the world's citizens' poverty have taken root online and in the anonymous idea, taking advantage of laws in other countries that do not recognize copyrights by American citizens. They prey on your needs and wants for cheap and affordable entertainment, under the false banner of freedom of information.
They set up their own anonymous followings pretending to be Americans, telling the citizens they are sticking it to the man. They are sticking it to the greedy corporations. These criminal corporations even ask that you the citizens protect them through anonymous DDoS attacks, hacks, and even blackmail against your governments. These criminal corporations are having you the citizens attack any government agency that seeks to shut them down for their crimes, by telling you the only one you're hurting is the filthy rich corporations.
Truth be told, you the citizens are stealing from other citizens just like yourself and me, living in your own country, that have fought long and hard to learn how to make video games, movies and computer programs, and in some cases spent every penny they own and even put themselves in massive debt, just to have the opportunity to have their products manufactured and distributed by the corporations you think you're stealing from, causing even more hardships and poverty to befall the citizens of your own country, not the corporations.
Yes, it is true. The super rich greedy corporation owners do lose a very small amount of the profits that they would have earned otherwise, but the biggest losers are the citizens that was driven bankrupt, losing everything they own, their home, their cars, and sometimes their family members, some to suicide. Why? All because their product was hijacked by a criminal corporation flying the anonymous banner, protected by citizens that do not understand the truth behind their actions.
You the citizens have fallen for a lie, told to you by a criminal organization that has taken root in Anonymous, that seeks only to make easy money off you. These criminal corporations profit off you, off your greed and the greed of the citizens.
Furthermore, Old Anonymous has been calling for a massive protest coming this November 5, 2013. They called for this same protest quite unsuccessfully back in 2011 and 2012. What you do not know about these protests is that there are anonymous followers that have absolutely no intention of having a peaceful protest. In fact, back in 2012 there was some channels on YouTube posting anonymous videos that was telling everyone that the government of the USA was corrupted beyond all redemption and must be overthrown.
On many of these channels there was anonymous followers telling the protesters to bring guns to the protest and shoot at the first sign of trouble, or in some cases shoot first. Although this protest was to be a worldwide protest, anonymous channels, mostly from other countries, with channels telling you they was in the USA, was focusing very heavily on the USA protest with one agenda in mind.
That agenda was to convince Americans to start a civil war to remove the U.S. government. Their terrorist idea was to force the U.S. government to defend themselves with deadly force, by shooting at the police that was there to protect the citizens as well as both public and private property and prevent the protest from getting out of hand, by shooting at the police and forcing the police to violently break up a protest that is about civil rights, freedom of speech, government corruption.
Terrorists posing as anonymous was counting on posting videos and mass texts to citizens across the USA telling them the government had unprovokingly attacked the protesters with deadly force, in hopes that the citizens would become so enraged they would start a national riot, forcing the U.S. government to declare martial law, making it seem like the government of the USA was declaring a dictatorship, as so many anonymous have been telling everyone they are trying to do.
The citizens would have seen this declaration of martial law across the USA as a hostile takeover of the USA by the government, and a civil war would have started. This would have killed millions of men, women and children in the first few days alone, but that is not the bad part. The bad part would be if the American citizens were successful in taking out the U.S. government and its military. Some of you may think this would be a good thing.
Let us tell you, this would be the worst thing to happen to mankind, in the history of mankind, if this would have taken place. Why? Because Anonymous is not organized and has no leaders. There is and never has been a replacement government set up to take the place of the former U.S. government, by Anonymous or anyone, and after a civil war that will take out every major utility, electricity, phone services, internet service, and devastate the USA with massive damages to every town and major city of the USA.
You the citizens will be 100% unable to build a new government. The USA would have fractured into thousands of little dictatorships, as a matter of survival, because the moment the U.S. government fell, the money it backed, and the money you use every day, will not be worth the paper it is printed on. All imports of oil and gas will stop. You will not even have the ability to call other governments to try and trade chickens and cows for fuel.
In less than 30 days the USA would screech to a halt. There will have been no ability for anyone to transport food to the cities, with the lack of clean and abundant drinking water, and an extreme number of citizens. 40% of the U.S. population would die in as little as 3 days. Another 40% will die of starvation over the next following 40 days.
All the governments of the world will have been forced to invade the former USA and claim its lands thanks to a global economic collapse. Thanks to the USA no longer buying imports of any kind, this global economic collapse would have forced the militarization of every world government in order to prevent the starvation of their citizens and to have the necessary troops to take and hold former U.S. lands.
All the governments of the world would have been forced to fight over who is or is not allowed to claim what lands, and over who is or is not allowed to take possession of the nuclear weapons that are scattered across the now former U.S. lands. The estimated total death toll of the U.S. citizens would be close to 99%. The estimated death toll worldwide would be close to 5 to 6 billion world citizens dead over a 3-year time span.
There is some speculation that the world, planet, environment could not possibly handle the pollution produced by such a massive war, and would lead to the extinction of every large mammal, in an event similar to that of the extinction of the dinosaurs.
This video is a warning to the citizens of the USA. Individuals inside Old Anonymous is now and have been pushing that very protest yet again. This November 5, 2013, we are seeing massive video uploads talking about the removal of the U.S. government and large amounts of guns to be carried in the U.S. protests. We, the New Anonymous, ask that you not participate in this protest in the USA, at least not as called for by Old Anonymous.
We, the New Anonymous, will show you how to have a larger, safer protest that will produce faster results, without having a single person arrested, without having a single person getting their head busted in a riot, without a single person getting killed, and without turning our towns and cities into burned out wastelands. We will show you a new way to protest that will allow every citizen to participate without fear of injury, being killed or beaten by the police.
We have the will to succeed. We have a plan laid out step by step to succeed. And we have the ability to not just voice our dissatisfaction with the way the U.S. government has been conducting business. to not just voice our dissatisfaction with the way the super corporations are raping and pillaging the citizens of the world, but instead stop them altogether, without a war, without killing.
The plan is called the YRV, or Your Rights Volunteer. Through the YRV, we can start repairs of the government from day one, and replace 80% of the US government in the first year, completing a total 100% governmental replacement in 3 years, because there will be no war, because there will be no killing or burning buildings. All records of the former government will be left intact, allowing the new government to hold accountable former governmental officials for any crimes against other countries, any crimes against the citizens, and criminal self-empowerment and profit, by way of abuse of their powers as U.S. government officials.
Join the new Anonymous. We need 10,000 dedicated Americans to start this off with a bang. Show your support by uploading this and all videos listed on this channel that you can. Subscribe to the YRV, or Your Rights channel, for details on the plan. Stay anonymous if you like, or be a fearless leader like Daniel, and become a YRV representative now, and start working early to fix the USA.
We welcome every citizen of the world, in every government of the world, to join in and build the new Anonymous and the YRV in your countries. We understand that not all dictatorship governments are automatically bad governments. Some can be very good, and even supported by their citizens. So we ask that everyone in New Anonymous and the YRV only work inside your own country, because like Daniel of the YRV says, you cannot fix someone else's government if your government is not in order.
Do not let the criminal actions of some individuals, posting lies about the YRV plan or New Anonymous, be the only factor for not learning what we are offering you the citizens. They, the old Anonymous, only fear the loss of their ability to dictate over you. They fear the loss of their power, their income by way of criminal activities, and some are just blind and follow old Anonymous like cows to the slaughterhouse. We ask that you use your own judgment. We ask you to think for yourself.
If you fear old Anonymous retaliation by hacking your YouTube channels, let us put your mind at ease. Old Anonymous has no ability to hack your channels. 90% of old Anonymous hacks are fake, or corporations using a fake hack to prevent information in their computers from being used to convict them for crimes, knowing it makes all information in the computer inadmissible in any court of law. Old Anonymous can only trick you into providing information with fake email that ask for passwords or account information. We, the new Anonymous, will post information on how to never get hacked by old Anonymous. All the hype about old Anonymous is 99.999 perception and propaganda based. The only thing you have to fear is fear itself.
The only true power old Anonymous has is DDoS attacks, and that is mostly performed by virus software uploaded to your computers during your visits to their criminal websites, offering free games, movies, or fake hacking programs that never work. We, the new Anonymous, ask you to stop supporting the face of a dead terrorist that attempted to use a bomb to force changes in his government. We ask you to stop trying to use a criminal-infested idea to repair your governments, or the only thing you will gain in the end is a criminal government. Show your support by uploading this video, or join New Anonymous today. And yes, you must join the New Anonymous.
Entry in New Anonymous is not automatic. We can identify all our followers, and will hold them accountable for their actions. We as New Anonymous will not tolerate criminal, terrorist, corporate or government infestation, or interference too slow, or stop the plan. Not even the death of the founder Daniel himself will stop the YRV plan from moving forward. You are now and will always know you are loved and safe with New Anonymous and the YRV plan. Thank you.